Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something completely different from the last time. All matte, colourful look inspired by Jeffree Star and Mitchell using the Stacey Marie MUA Carnival palette. This palette is literally life changing. If you haven't used it yet or you haven't seen it, if you're like me and you're obsessed with colours, you need it in your life. This is it. This is in all its glory. Gorgeous pinks, yellows, everything. Colours that you might think, oh my god, they look too scary, but can create some beautiful blends, and they're so pigmented you don't have to work with them at all. They're amazing. So I thought I'd do something completely different from the last video and do an all matte, bright, coloured eye. Other than that, I'll just jump straight into the video and I hope you enjoy it. And if you have anything you want to let me know what we can do next, or anything you want me to focus on, or any comments, let me know by following me on Instagram or writing in the comment section down below. But I'll crack on and I hope you like it. So as always, the first thing that I'm going to do is put my base down for my eyeshadow. My Revolution Conceal and Define for this. And then, as I did in the last video, just buffing it out all over my lid. And again, just like in the last video, I'm going to do one side and then I'll do the other side. So, I'll grab my Stacey Marie MUA Carnival palette, and the first colour I'm going to go in with is Liquor. Just this darker colour. I'm going to go ahead and apply that with a really tiny little brush, just like this one, straight into my crease. Just packed down in there, as you can get it. And that is that bit on. And then once you've got that crease colour on, the next colour you're going to go in with is this gorgeous bright pink. You're going to go in with Funky. Right now it looks crazy, but it will make sense, I promise. So you're going to go in with Funky. I'm just taking my next size up for your brush. Because you don't want to take it too high, you just want to buff and blend the outside. And then from there, my next colour I'm going to go in with is Shuffle, which is the nice mustardy orange I used on the last video. And you're literally going to buff that over the pink and just above it. Just blending it, the edges in, so that you've got a nice peachy tone going on. And then to buff that out, I'm going to go in with Keen, which is this really bright yellow, just around the outside, just to soften it and brighten it up. Just takes it to that next. From there, you've got your almost like a sunset going on. With your last like crease blending colour, you're gonna go in with Wasted. It's a really vibrant purple. You're gonna go in with this lovely peachy colour. You're gonna go in with Foolish. You're gonna do that all over your lid, as if you'd cut a crease. So now we're going to just join it all up underneath the eye. So I'm going to go in with Funky again. And put that right across underneath. And then in with Shuffle. Don't worry about making a mess. I always make a mess on the underneath. You're going to tidy it up with concealer anyways, so it's fine. And then just blending it out with Keen. I'm just going to take Wasted again, the purple, and just blend that from your outer corner so it all meets in and the colours just match up a little bit better. So my next trick for you, I do not have a pink eyeliner for me under eye. So what I'm going to do is take my white gel liner, my favourite thing ever that I use for everything, put it onto my waterline. This, literally just slap it straight in there. So you get that packed all over your bottom lash line, so you get a nice white lash line now. You can then go in with any colour that you want onto your waterline. So I'm going to go in with, from this palette, with a mixture of Funky and Wifey. Just right onto where I've put that white waterline colour. You can make your own eyeliner. And just literally just pat it on top of it. That's all you're going to do. Don't wipe it or try and swipe it, because it'll just take the eyeliner off. Just literally pat your eyeshadow onto the eyeliner. And then all I'm going to do, I'll use my Stacey Marie. You've seen as I'm using this for my whole video. I'll use this again with Pink Me for me in the corner. Blend that into that corner. You can already see it giving off that pinky, pretty little glow. And that's that. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Tall Beauty highlight just for under my brow bone. It just gives off a nicer glow. So yay! So then, just to be different, seeing as we're working with bright colours today, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with that and take that and do a nice wing right to the outskirts of the eye. And it's just going to tie in really nicely with the colours. Actual liner on. This nice vivid purple liner on. I'll be putting false lashes on at the end of the video. So that's your eye look finished. You've got a really nice, you've got pink liner, you've got some really nice warm colours going through that as well. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do the other eye, and then we'll do my face together just like I did the last time. So that's both eyes done now. As you can see, they're really similar, nice and glowy. We've got some lovely little purple liner going on, and it's really nice sunset vibrant eye. The lashes I've prepped with glue on, so I'm going to pop them on at some point, probably after I've put my primer on. Are just Primark specials. They're the Dulux for Mink Lash, and they're only £4 as well, but they're really, really nice. So I've got my liner on, got everything on, now it's time to sort out all this fake tan mess. So again, going in with my old faithful SPF Inglot Primer. All over. Yeah, thanks so much, guys. And the foundation I'm going to use today is the Inglot HD foundation, but I'm just going to mix a drop of the AMC Inglot foundation in with it as well, just to give it a bit more of a dewy finish rather than it being too matte and drying on my face. I'm just going to pop my lashes on before I do that. that is them on. Too much on with it. I got him. It's all over your skin. Big fun. So that's the foundation on. Next I'm going to go in with me Barry All Night Long Concealer. And this is in the shade Oatmeal, which is number 2. It is really nice. It's really, really light. And again, it always looks really scary when you're putting it on. So I'm going to go in with my stippling brush and just bounce that down and around. Anyway, from there, I'm then going to go in with my trusty JLo sculpting powder in my homemade inklet palette. I'm going with my JLo Cocoa 4. Going to give that nice good. And then from there, again, just like in my last video, I'm going to use my AMC multicolour bronzing powder. Just buff that in. All down my neck. Then when I went with my scary orange blusher again, in my cheeks. I do like this one, it just brings a bit more of a flush. And then the next thing where we're going to go from there is, and I'm going to use my Stacey Marie Carnival palette so you can see the difference. She does two highlight colours in it, Saint and Sinner, so I'm going to do one on each so that you can see what they look like. So this is Sinner, which is a slightly darker goldy one. That one's Sinner. And then on this side I'll do Saint, which is the pinkier lighter one. Which is again, it really is beaming. And just to sparkle it up even more, as you know I do, the JLo Sparkle Dust again. And just that over the top, see it? And then that's like your base all done. From there I'll then do my eyebrows. I take my JLo Inglot Brow Gel in Truffle. I always start on the outer half as well, because that's where you want it to be darkest. And then with what's left on my brush from doing that, lightly as light as I can. Going towards the centre. And then I'll just... For me personally though, I like to just take my brown mascara again and have that draw in there as strokes, because I just think it looks a little bit more natural. Makes your job a little bit easier, which I'm all for. I live by the mantra, brows are sisters not twins, because mine never want to look the same. As we get them close enough and they're not, one's not miles higher than the other one, it's fine. So, and then last but not least, we're going to do the lips. So I always think when you've got a nice bright eye, it's nice to have something nice and bright on your lips. So I'm going to go in with, well, I say bright, I'm going in with something really peachy. It's shade 317, so it's like a really nice peachy pinky colour. Again, going in with my trusty 63 lip liner. No, right until I do your lip first. But your lip liner. Smell divine. If you ever get one of the Inglot lipsticks, only £12. And then to finish off my eyes, I just thought I'd add a little something extra just to finish it off before I put mascara on. It is Fantasy by Peaches and Cream. Really sparkly, like you can see it all in the air now I've opened it. And literally just put it on. Just kind of beam out that inner corner a little bit more. You don't have to do this, it does look really nice and glowy without it. I just think it just gives it that little bit of something extra. Just kind of beam out that inner corner that a little bit more. You don't have to do this, it does look really nice and glowy without it. I just think it just gives it that little bit of something extra. As I wear false lashes, I never really focus too much on the mascara brand. This is just a little Clinique tester that I have that I'm using at the moment. Now I'm going to put that on my bottom lashes. And that's it. Thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you like the finished look. It's lovely, glowy, and it's just a bit of everything. Nice sunset eyes for, even though this is a video in the morning, but sunset eyes. And if you feel like you haven't got this yet and you need it in your life, just go on to Be Perfect Cosmetics, or they sell it on Beauty Bay as well. Beauty Bay is amazing, they've got so many good brands on there. And sometimes if you're a student, you'll get your discount code for Beauty Bay as well. Like I said in me intro, my next video is most likely going to be a smoky eye look or me haul. I hope you like that as well, and if you've got any comments or anything that you'd like me to do, just let me know and I'll jump on that and start doing it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe in the bottom down below. Any comments or anything you want to ask, anything you want to know that I've used, just like I said, message me or follow me on my Instagram and you can message me there as well. Other than that, thanks for watching today and I'll see you next time.